Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, we have to discuss the product of two complex number. Let z1 is equal to 2 minus iota and z2 is equal to 3 plus iota. Then we have to find z1 and z2. z1 z2 is equal to 2 minus iota into 3 plus iota. Now this is equal to 2 3s are 6 plus 2 iota minus 3 iota minus iota square. Now this is equal to 6 plus 2 minus 3 into iota minus into minus 1, because iota square is equal to minus 1. After that, 6 plus minus iota minus minus plus 1. Now 6 plus 1 into minus iota, this becomes 7 minus iota. So the result is 7 minus iota. This is the product of two complex number z1 and z2. So which implies z1 z2 become 7 minus iota, which implies that if z1 and z2 are belong to complex number, then their product z1 z2 also belong to the set of complex number. Thank you.